Hello, welcome back. So on the previous video we left on this point whereby we are designing our interface or our application using the code base side. So we finally managed to create our hello application. So next thing I was talking about that once you are done completing this designing, you simply need to run it on a virtual device. Like I said, if you have a machine that supports virtual device to run a virtual device on your machine, then use it. Simply select the device that you previously downloaded or install it, and then you simply have to select it, and then you build your project, you clean and build your project, then you run on your emulator, and it will be able to display the output or install the application on that virtual device. Then you can see it will simply automatic open, and you'll be able to see your design or your application. For those who are using phones as the emulator, like me, I'm using phone to view my design or to install those application on my phone and see my design. So if you're using phone, like debugging, like you're using an USB cable to debug your application, so also I did that before, and I have taken some screenshot of the actual application on my phone. So I'll simply go ahead and show you how it look like. So I just take a screenshot, and this is the screenshot. So this is the screenshot of the application. You can see here it's on a phone. So this is a phone, the ITEL S2 I was using. So this is how it look on the phone. Once you have installed that application on a phone, it will open this activity page, and this what you have designing on your Android Studio. This is what will be displayed using the linear layout. And also we have another one. So this is another one. So this is, it is simply show, let me just minimize this and open this. Sorry, I said the machine is too slow, but I will still manage it. So let's open this, and don't know, I want to zoom in, but it keep behaving. Let me just try to open it here. Oh. Okay, let's use through the way it is, because it's not, I don't know why it's resisting to zoom to take the full screen. But you can see here, this is our application here that is now showing on my application. So this is my phone, and this is our series 1 application that we had just built on the previous video. So this is how it will look like on your phone. And as I said, this we can alter this initial image that is being shown to our user and use something like an icon or an image that we may create. Maybe you have a beautiful image that you'll use to on your final project, you'll use that image on the bitmap. So we can alter this default image here and use your own image. So but for now it's simply for purpose of education. So we simply you will use it, will be using this one, but I will show you also if you need to install or using a different image. I'll still show you how you can do, but I just wanted to know that, to show you that when you run on a phone, that application will be installed on a phone. We will run it, and it will open this application, and it will be looking like this. So this is about first application. Congratulations for building your first Android application, hello Android application. So in the next video, or in this video, I'll be showing you how now we will come up with a project, a simple project that we will be following slow it by slow. It's a simple one, like a login page, something like that. We just go ahead and research. Let's first do that. Let me close this, and let's go ahead to our search bar here, and let's start search anything. So let's say login page. So let me search here login page. I need something that login page design. I need something like we can be following up all along and try to build something like that. So these login page are for websites, but we can still have a login page, a beautiful login page for Android. So we'll be looking for at least a simple login page that we can start with, and then we will continue designing or try the complex one with time. But for now, we just need to search for a simple login. So simple login page, let's try to see if we will have one. So okay, something like this. You see this is a simple login page. So like this one, let's see this one. So you can see this one, this is a good spot for membership login. So we can have something like this. We can try this, try to design an input. This is an input. We have two input field, we have a button, we have a checkbox and other things. So we'll be try this one. So let me just screenshot that part, and we'll be reflecting on this email or on this login. So I'll be using this login for the next video. We'll be using that image to come up with that login. So let me close that and locate that one here. It's on my laptop. I just take screenshot of it. So we have it here, and let's open it. So you can open this on full screen. So we'll be following this and try to come up with something like this. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.